Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make text bigger in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer. First of all, type any text, hold shift. I use for big font, hold shift, then type and press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, click and drag it. Or double click, see this text point, simply or custom type. Okay, press Ctrl T, increase, hold shift, resize. Double click, boldness, increase the boldness. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.